Bodysuit/Onesie Extenders opening parenthesis pack of 3 by Matissa is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. These baby bodysuit extenders increase the life of your baby's bodysuit, which are still fit on his/her body but just has gone short in length. No worries. It's totally natural for babies to grow taller before they actually grow bigger. These baby bodysuit extenders come to your help to save those cute beloved bodysuits that you are not ready to give up on yet. They are also a must-have for those who prefer using reusable diapers, as they need the extra bodysuit length to cover the bulky diapers. Please note, not all brands use the same snap size for their baby bodysuit. These extenders have 9mm snaps and fit most major brands including Carter's, Disney, Kohl's, Jumping Beans, and more. Please check the snap size of bodysuit you intend to use these extenders for before placing your order. Made of soft, high-quality 100% cotton,